In the previous video, we recently created an SQLite database and we learned how to write data into that. In this video, I will show you how to export the data of your database into internal storage of your phone, and also you can make it in a CSV or in the Excel format as you wish. As you see, I created a button, export button, which can help us to export the data. In the kotlin file, I will declare the button privately tiny var button export. So to initialize it, button export the sit on click listener. So in the manifest file, we need to add permissions and also permission for Android 11 plus. This is our database class. We need to create a function here, fun export to SQLite file, context, and the second parameter will be file name. So here we create a db file which is equal to writable database, also a cursor to read the query from the database, select from table. So we give the table name and the second parameter is null. To avoid any crash in the program, we will use try and catch. Vol external storage directory and other formatted file name. If the file name does not end with CSV or DB, then create a formatted name for this, which will end with .csv. Follow the next steps like me. Vol export directory path is equal to file external storage directory if the export file path .exists. So we will export directory path, we will make a direction in this. We will create a file, vol file is equal to file export directory path, and the second parameter is formatted file name. Vol output stream is equal to file output stream. While cursor.move to next, we will write the data to the file. So data will equal to cursor.getString. We will add the 3 columns of our database we recently created in the previous video. Now to write the data, output stream dot write to byte array, output stream dot close. To know our file is successfully exported or created, we will make a toast for this like this. If your app is targeting Android 10 or higher, you can follow the bell steps to export the file into the internal storage. Our database class will be ready. We will head to the main activity.kotlin. Check if we have permission to write data into the internal storage. If we have, it's okay. If we do not have, we will request permission from the user. After we got permission, we will write the file in internal storage. Something we forgot, we will find the view of the button export. And at the last, we will run the application on our device. Finally, you can see that data is exported. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a nice time.